Hey YouTube, how y'all doing today? This is a quick little rant and rave video, probably about 5 minutes long, and then I'll let y'all go back to y'all's daily routine. I'm on the way to the post office, but first on the agenda today, I want to take care of one thing. One of my followers, EJ Cutter, you've been following me and watching my videos for a long time, dude, and this has been a long time coming. Thank you for following, thank you for supporting, and all that good stuff, man. It means a lot. I know that people are liking what they see. They come to see the channel and they hang around. Guys, another thing real quick, if y'all like my videos, please like them. It helps me out. I know that I'm doing something, so it makes me want to do more. If you hate my videos, subscribe and like them. But for real, like my videos if you come back to them. It does two things. It tells me that I'm doing something right and I need to keep on going so that you guys will get more content. And it'll also put them, if you're not YouTube savvy, it'll put them in a separate folder for you of every video you liked. If you're going back one day looking for a video, man, where did that video go? If you liked it, it's going to be in there. You're just going to have to find it. So we're going to move on to business now. I've been selling Leakdown testers since about 2012 or 13. I didn't go publicly selling them on YouTube till about 2015, somewhere around there. That's actually when I started selling period on YouTube, on eBay, I think. But anyway, where I'm going is, there's another gentleman that's selling the Leakdown testers that I'm selling. He started putting them together just like I am. They're the same exact kit. I'm not going to go out on a limb and say mine are better. They're not. They're the same exact thing that I'm putting together. He's got the same parts. But he's selling them anywhere. I have 5 different kits. He's only got like 2. He's selling them anywhere from $5 cheaper to maybe $12 cheaper, something like that. I'm asking you guys here today to spend the extra $5, $8, $12, whatever it may be. Why? Why would you want to pay an extra $5 or $12 when you can buy the same thing from this guy? Because I'm going to help you out, dudes. I'm going to be there for you. I'm going to help you with tech. I'm going to take your emails. I'm going to take your phone calls. I'm going to take your text messages. I'm going to be there. I'm going to help you guys out. This guy's not going to be there. One, he's already in his descriptions, in his description on his eBay ad, he's misleading you already, saying, if you don't see any bubbles, it's time to replace your crank seals. That's not true. If you don't see any bubbles, you probably have a head gasket leaking, an O-ring leaking on the head. If you got a cool head and O-ring, if you got a stock head, a head gasket, you could possibly be leaking from somewhere else on the engine that's just so small you can't find. Could also be the primary gear leaking. He's just skipping all the important stuff in between. This Leakdown tester is meant to find leaks. It is meant to find a leaky crank seal. You don't just have to say, well, I don't see any leaks, must be the crank seals. It's going to show you if the crank seals are leaking. That's what he doesn't understand, because he doesn't work on Banshees. If he does, well, I don't know what to say. But with this Leakdown tester, you pressurize the crankcase. If you have your clutch cover on the engine, you literally spray soapy water up one of the vent tubes. If you have bubbles, your right side crank seal is leaking. Case closed. If you don't see any bubbles there, you're going to pull the flywheel off. You're going to pull the stator off, the stator cover, pull the flywheel off. Your small seal is going to be up in there. You're going to spray in there. If you see bubbles there, your left side stator seal is leaking. If you don't see any bubbles there, it's not leaking. If you don't see any bubbles out the vent tube, the right side's not leaking. Don't tear it apart. So for the extra cash, what are you going to get? You're going to get my help. You're going to get my tech support. You're going to get all that good stuff. It's not a lot extra to pay, guys. Come on. For this little while, me and this guy were playing this little childish 5th grade game where he goes down a little bit, and then I go down a little bit more, and then he goes down a little bit. Then I realized, wait, I'm 37. I'm not 7. So I hiked my prices back up to where they were before, where I can make a little bit off of them, because come on, face it, I take time out of my day to pre-wrap them with Teflon. I go get all the stuff that I need. Sometimes I have to drive all over the place to find them, and I literally mean all over the place. And that's what I do. I don't have a day job. I don't work 8 to 5 at the bank or at the hospital for maintenance or nothing like that. This is what I do. I do harnesses and I do Leakdown testers, and I help you guys. That is my job. So this is my main income, basically. So you gotta make something off of it. I'm not getting rich. I'm not saying that. But all I'm asking is that you guys that are been following me for a while, and you get on my YouTube and you're like, oh, he's selling them. If you get on YouTube and you see one that's a few bucks cheaper, just buy mine. That's all I'm asking. It's not a lot more. It's not a lot more cash. How do you know they're mine? 1, check the video, this video, look down there, look in the description, you're gonna see 4 or 5 links. If you check those links out, if you need something else if you need something other, yeah, this video is gonna suck, there's no editing, this is on my phone. If you need something other than you see in those those links, just shoot me a message here through phone, 361-243-0431. My email, is Kevin Galindo, KevinGalindo 1980 Shoot me an email, shoot me a text, shoot me a bird, whatever, man. Let me know what you need. I'll build it for you. I'll put it up there, or I'll send it to you direct. I'll take care of you. They're mine because you'll know they're mine. Look at the username, South Texas Banshee. If it says anything else, it's not me. All of my ads have a blue background. They're blue, and they will have either the yellow South Texas Banshee logo or the old school green South Texas Banshee logo. If you don't see that logo or you don't see the blue background, it's not me. Don't buy it. So, I guess I've ranted and raved long enough. It's probably, it's about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go back to what you do, back to what y'all are doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this mail run. Sorry to take up this much of your time, but I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with everything. Like I said, check the description in this video. Look down there, it'll be there. If it's not there yet, give me a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go home, get this uploaded, and then add it to the description because I'm not sure how to do it from my phone. What else? I was gonna tell you guys. What else? There's something else. I'm trying to make it quick because I don't want to have to try to edit this on my phone. That's gonna suck. I guess that's it. You guys stay safe, ride safe. God bless. Y'all take it easy. Laters.